So I give you guys the British Army's elite parachute regiment. So the project itself, what I really want to get across, and I'm sure you can see that it's pretty obvious, is the infamous maroon colours, which is significant to the paratroopers, but that signifies their beret colours, and then the unmissable para cap badge, formidable cap badge as well. Really awesome looking cap badge. It's probably one of my favourites within the British Army. The kind of line work we used is just basic line work, and then in terms of texturing we just used a lot of stipples just to give it that really nice texture and that feel, so when the light hits the actual image in different areas it really pops, and it kind of gives it almost like a three-dimensional effect. And how we cut out the aluminium, we just used a jigsaw and a fine-tooth blade. Very simple. Just leave the plastic protective coating on first, leave that on, and then cut it out, and then you can peel that off ready for engraving. So I encourage you to embark on a project like this, and please share your progress with me either on Instagram. I'm more active on Instagram. Send your photos through and I can give you guys guidance or any tips, anything like that. And I really look forward, and I really enjoy seeing projects that you guys put together. But huge kudos and much respect to the guys that go through P Company and the paratroopers. These guys embark on a 30-week training regime, which encompasses the infamous P companies, and these guys get absolutely battered. There's no doubt about it. And to be wearing the maroon beret and the wings after all that must be an incredibly proud moment. So huge respect to you. I take my hat off to you guys, and it's not said enough here in the UK. And thank you very much for your service. For those who are serving and who have served, huge respect, and we really appreciate it. So look forward to next week. Hopefully it's going to be a good one. It's going to be the Royal Marine Commandos, and I'm sure the paras who are watching right now are probably like, what the hell? The banter is going to be epic, hopefully. I encourage the banter on the channel. Look forward to it. I'm going to do the boot necks. The rivalry between these two guys is it's just something else. You got to see it to believe it. So I really look forward to doing it. But if you're new here, hopefully I've earned your subscription. Sorry, my mind was elsewhere. I was just thinking about all the banter. It's going to be crazy. It normally is, no matter what. If you get a para and a marine together, it's just like, oh, here we go. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions or comments, please let me know down below. And like I said, if you're new here, hopefully I've earned your subscription. It's free. But by all means, we will definitely see you in the next one.